everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make these very easy customizable labels. This video is also a collab with Super Crafty. She makes slime and DIY videos, so check out her channel. So I started out with making some labels on my computer. I just copied some things off of Pinterest. And you want to make sure everything has a white background because only the black ink will stick to your label. So I decided to make some fun glossier labels because I love that brand, but they don't ship to the Netherlands, I think. And I also made this Moomin, which comment down below if you remember this show because I used to love it as a kid and I think it's so cute. So to make these into stickers, I grabbed a large piece of transparent tape and I just put that over my labels, pressing it down with my finger, making sure it really sticks. If the label is too big for one piece of tape, just put another over it and you're good to go. I also did this with my Moomin and he turned out just fine, so don't worry about having to use two pieces of tape. And afterwards, just cut them out. Then I just took a small bowl and filled it with water. Now I'm just taking my label and putting it in the water, the paper side facing down until it curls. When your label is all curled up, you can take it out of the water and gently brush off the paper off the sticker. So don't use your nails, be gentle because else your label will be ruined. This took me a good 5 minutes, so be patient, and also making your fingers wet while rubbing it really helps. After you get rid of all of the paper, just stick your label to a flat surface and let it dry. You probably also saw me making some black labels. These totally failed, so I decided to just stick them on my beauty containers to make them a little bit more aesthetic. And this is definitely something that you can try. It's not so aesthetic as a real label maker, but it looks pretty good. So back to my normal labels, it was finally time to stick them on anything I liked. And honestly, I could do this all day because there are so many stickers that really brighten up my day-to-day stuff. Like this candle is so much more aesthetic and it's unique because I cannot buy it in a store and it's very personal. So I definitely use this method to personalize my items more and make them more my style and unique, and I think it's really cute. And of course the Moomin, my favorite, I had to stick it to my phone, but you can use this method for anything you like. You can use it for water bottles, you can use it for windows. If you have kids, it's really fun to let them make their own window stickers for their room. Just a little idea I had while making this video. And now my final products. I really hope this video was useful to you, and if you like DIY and aesthetic videos, consider subscribing, and if you like my videos, hit that bell so you will be notified whenever I have a new video, and I will see you guys next week. Till Monday. Bye!